Good afternoon. Hi, Phil McPhail here with United Country Lifestyle Properties of Maine. One of the questions I get asked quite frequently by my land clients is how they can make their property stand out from others. And one of the best ways, if you've got old fields, don't let them grow up to bushes. Today we're on location at my newest listing in the town of Lakeville, and we're having the field mowed. And it's it's a little bit of an expense, but it's not a big one. And if you see the before and after shots here in this video, you'll see what we're talking about. A field that looks hard to navigate and walk through all of a sudden looks more like a nice lawn out here in the woods. Plus, gets rid of some weeds and encourages some of the grasses to come back. So that's one good way to do it. So I always encourage people, don't lose your fields. It took so much time to get these fields created. Some of these go back 100 years when there was not much heavy equipment, horses and pickaxes and simple tools to move a lot of rocks out of the way so you can farm the land here in Maine. So that's one reason. Another reason is you're providing some food for the animals. They like a freshly mowed field. They're always out in it getting the clover that'll pop up. You got a nice view, you open up, so there's another advantage to having a field on your property. And even if you don't have one, you might even consider creating one. In the right situation, I've seen clear cutting 3, 4, 5 acres of forest and building a field to completely change the look of a property. So thought of the day here today, folks, is don't let your fields grow up. And if you don't have any, look into what it would take to make them. So if you own a piece of property up here in the northern half of the state of Maine that you got a field on and you need some work done, reach out to me. I've got some equipment and some folks to run it that can help improve your property, add more value, make it an easier sale, much more appealing to potential buyers. You can reach out to us at 800-286-6164, ask for Phil, and tell me where your property is, and we'll see if we can help you.